Hello students, today we are going to discuss next question of worksheet 5, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Question number 9 to 14 we will discuss. Question number 9 is there, a bar is in a form of a circle with radius 42 centimeter. It is bent into a square. Find the side of the square. So there is given a circular bar having radius is there 42 centimeter. It is opened and converted into a square. We have to find the side of this square. In this case, the radius of circular wire is there 42 centimeter. Therefore, the length of wire it is equal to the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7, radius is there 42 centimeter. So it is equal to 44 into 6, that is 264 centimeter. Now according to the question, the same wire is re-bent in the shape of a square. Therefore, the perimeter of this square is equal to the length of the wire, and that is equal to 264. Therefore, perimeter of square is 4 into side, and side becomes equal to 264 upon 4, that is 66 centimeter. So therefore, the side of the square is equal to 66 centimeter. Now the next question number 10. The diameter of circular park is given, that is 140 meter. Around it on the outside, a path of width 7 meter is constructed. If the path has to be fenced from inside and outside at a rate of rupees 7 per meter, then find the total cost. In this case, a circular track is given or park is given having diameter is there 140 meter. A path around it having width is there 7 meter. Therefore, the diameter of this circular park is 140 meter, and the diameter of this outer circle, that is 7 plus 140 plus 7, which is equal to 154 meter. Now firstly we will find the circumference of inner circle and then outer circle, and then total length of both the circle, that is the length of fencing. So firstly, the inner circular park having diameter is there 140 meter. Therefore, the inner circumference that is pi d, but we have to find the length of fencing. Length of fencing that is equal to circumference, and circumference means pi into d. Di means inner diameter, that is 22 upon 7 into 140, which is equal to 440 meter. And now for outer circular park, the diameter of this circular park becomes 7 plus 140 plus 7, that is equal to 154 meter. Therefore, length of fencing for the outer circle, that is equal to pi d outer. It is the circumference, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 154. When we will cancel, so we get 484 meter. So it is the length of fencing of outer circle, and it is the length of fencing of inner circle. Therefore, the total length of fencing becomes 440 plus 484, that is 924 meter. Therefore, the cost of fencing 1 meter length, that is rupees 7, and the cost of total length, that is equal to rupees 7 into 924, which is equal to 6468 rupees. So this is the question. Now question number 11. In this question, there is given an athlete runs around a circular park 10 times. If the diameter of the park is given 280 meter, find the distance covered by athlete in kilometer. So in this case, diameter of this circular park is given, that is 280 meter. Diameter is given, that is 280 meter. So in this case, we have to find the distance traveled by him in 10 rounds. So how we can find? So we will find the distance covered in one round, that is the circumference of the circle, which is 5 pi d. 22 upon 7 into 280, that is equal to, after calculation we get 880 meter. Therefore the distance covered in 10 rounds, which is equal to 880 into 10, which is 8800 meter. Now in kilometer we will divide it by 1000, so it is 8.8 kilometer. The next question of this exercise is there, question number 12. There is given a circular piece of thin wire is converted into a rhombus of side 11 centimeter. Find the diameter of the circular piece. So in this case, each side of this rhombus wire is equal to 11 centimeter. And by comparing this perimeter of rhombus with the circumference of this circle, we have to find the radius of this circle, because the length of the wire is same for circle as well as for rhombus. So in this case, firstly we will discuss about rhombus. Each side of rhombus is given, that is 11 centimeter. Therefore perimeter becomes 4 into side, that is 44 centimeter. Now the length of the wire for this circle is equal to the circumference, and that is equal to the perimeter of the rhombus. So the length of wire becomes perimeter of rhombus, that is 44 centimeter. According to question, the circumference of the circular wire is equal to the length of the wire, that is equal to 44 centimeter, which is pi d. Pi d is equal to 44, and the diameter becomes 44 into 7 upon 22. When we will solve, we get 14 centimeter. Therefore the length of the diameter of the circle is equal to 14 centimeter. Now the next question is there, question number 13. A racetrack is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference is 352 meter and the outer circumference is there 396 meter. We have to find the width of the track. We know that the width of the track, this one, it is the difference of the radii of inner and outer circular track. It is the difference between the radii of inner and outer radius of these circle. So in this case, firstly we will find the radius, inner radius and outer radius. There is given inner circumference of the track, that is 352 meter, that is 2 pi ri inner, I for inner circle, that is 352 meter, and ri becomes equal to 352 into 7 in the numerator and 2 into 22, that is in the denominator. When we will cancel it, we get 8 into 7, that is 56 meter. Therefore the radius of inner track, that is 56 meter. Now for outer circular track, the circumference is there 396 meter, that is 2 pi ro means outer radius, outer circular radius, that is equal to 296. When we will compare, the value of ro becomes equal to 396 into 7 upon 2 into 22, which is equal to 9 into 7, that is 63 meter. Therefore the width of track is equal to outer radius minus inner radius, which is equal to 63 minus 56, that is equal to 7 meter. Now the last question of this exercise is there. The radius of circular region is given 63 centimeter. Find the least length of rope which is sufficient to encircle the circular region. In this case, the radius of circular region is given. So we have to find the length of the rope which is required to encircle the this circular region, that is equal to the circumference of this circular region, and circumference is equal to 2 pi r. When we solve this, so we get 396 centimeter. So this is the length of the rope required to encircle the circular region. So this is worksheet 5. Now some introduction related to worksheet 6, that is area of circle. Chapter number 11, perimeter and area, worksheet number 6. area of circle. So in this case there is given area enclosed by a circle is called the area of circle. So how we can derive the formula for area of circle, that is pi r square. So in this case firstly we will take a circle and we will fold it up to 4 folds. So there are how many strips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And there are 16 strips. Now we have to cut all these triangular strips into small pieces and join them in the form of as it is. First strip is as it is and second strip with it. Again third strip is as it is and then fourth strip. It is also an activity how we can find the area of the circle. So in this way we will join this. So we get a rectangle having breadth is equal to the radius, that is the radius of the circle. This is the radius. It is same for all these. It is r. And what is the length? The length is this part of circle. For strip 1 it is this part only, and for strip 2 it is this part, and for strip 3 this part becomes this one, and it is, and then this one means total circumference of circle becomes the length, half of this circumference length and half of the circumference length, that is this one. It is the length and it is the length. It is the total circumference of this one. So it means when we will change it into a rectangle, the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is length is there in this case, the circumference. But how much circumference? It is the circumference of 8 strips, and it is the circumference of 8 strips. The total circumference is equal to the circumference of the circle. So it means half circumference is there for 8 strips and half circumference is there for 8 strips. That is the length of the circle. It is the length, and which is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 pi r, that is 2 we can cancel there, so it is pi r. And breadth is equal to the radius. Breadth is equal to the radius of the circle. So it is equal to length into breadth, that is to pi r into r, that is pi r square, which is the area of circle. The area of circle is equal to pi r square units. It is also the activity how to find the area of circle. You can do it by self using paper, circular paper, and by cutting you can find the area. Now the first question of this exercise is there. Find the area of circle of diameter 8.4 meter. So in this case diameter is given. So in this case we have area of circle is there pi r square. So we have to find the radius in each case. There is no second formula in case of diameter. So in case of so we have to find the radius for area of circle. Therefore radius of circle is equal to diameter upon 2, that is 4.2 meter. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 4.2 whole square. 4.2 means 42 upon 10 and square means 2 times. So when we will cancel we get 6. 22 into 6 into 42, that is equal to 5544 upon 100. It is equal to 55.44 meter square. That is the area of this circle. Now the next question is there, question number 2. The circumference of the circle is given, that is 17.6 centimeter, and the area of the circle is also given. We have to find. So in this case the circumference of the circle is there 17.6 centimeter. Circumference of the circle is always 2 pi r, which is equal to 17.6, and we have to find the value of r. So we will take these constant term on the right hand side. Some goes in numerator and some in division. So r becomes equal to 4 into 7 upon 10, that is 28 upon 10, which is 2.8 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of circle. When we have a radius, so we can find the area of circle, that is pi r square. It is 22 upon 7 into 2.8 square, which is equal to, after calculation we get here 2464 upon 100, that is 24.64 centimeter square. So it is the area of this circle. Now the next question is here. The area of circular lawn is given, that is 154 meter square. So in this case we have to find the circumference. In the previous case the circumference is given, we have to find the area. But in this case area is given, we have to compare pi r square with 154, and then we have to find the area, radius and then circumference. So in this case area of circular lawn is given, that is 154 meter square. Area of circle, that is pi r square, is equal to 154. Now r square as it is, we have to find the value of r. 22 upon 7 we will take on right hand side. So it is in numerator and it is in denominator. So 22 7s are 154, which is equal to 7. 7 into 7, that is 7 square. Square we can cancel. Therefore the radius becomes 7 meter. And the circumference of this circular lawn becomes 2 pi r, that is 44 meter. In this way we can solve this. So it is 44 meter. Now the next question is the question number 4. A circular plot of radius 77 meter. Find its value at rupees 175 per square meter. So in this case firstly we have to find the area. We have to find the value. So means cost of 1 meter square area is given, that is 175. We have to find the cost of total area. The total area we have to find. So it means radius of plot is given, that is 77 meter. So area is equal to pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 77 into 77, which is equal to 18,634 meter square. Therefore the value of this value of this area is equal to value of 1 meter square area is given, that is 175. Therefore the value of total area, that is 18,634 meter square, is equal to the product of these two, and it is equal to 32,60,950. Now the next question number 5. Question number 5 is that the diameter of two silver circular discs is given, that is in the ratio 2:3. What will be the ratio of their area? So in this case firstly we have to find the radius in each case, that is r1 and r2, and then find the ratio. So firstly ratio of the diameters of two discs is given, that is 2:3. Let the common ratio is their x. Therefore the diameter of first disc is equal to 2x, and the radius becomes 2x upon 2, that is x units. And then also the diameter of second disc, which is equal to 3x, and the radius becomes 3x upon 2 units. Now ratio of the areas, that is area of first disc upon second disc, it is pi r square upon pi r2 square. It is r1 square and it is r2 square. Pi we can cancel there. R1 is there x, so x square, and r2 is there 3 upon 2x, so 3 upon 2x square, which is equal to x square upon 9 upon 4x square. 4 is there in denominator, it goes in multiplication. Therefore x square upon 9x square is equal to into 4. So square we can cancel there, so it is 4 upon 9. Therefore the ratio of these two is equal to 4:9. So this is for today. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.